Castillo. Ang lakas ng katawan tong Castillo. Kahit payat. Gascon. What a nice on Castillo. Right. But now Gascon on the line. 100% from the free throw. Tingnan natin ngayon kung second try of Gascon. 5 minutes and 38 seconds of action. This is Sports Specials brought to you by Manny Pacquiao, MPBL Junior Basketball Circuit, Bataan League. Our sports organizer, Sean Tamayo. 100% from the free throw line itong si Gascon.